You know what? Gone and bought myself another pair of Yeezys. Am I coming over to the Yeezy side? Welcome to Sneaky Peeks. If this is the first time to this channel, then you're more than welcome to click on the subscribe button below. Also, if you want to see more of me or more of this channel, then we do have a social media handle on the gram, and that is at Sneaky Peeks Ltd. Today's video is all about the Yeezy 350 V2. We will be doing the unboxing, but first I want to tell you about the giveaway that we're going to do. So these exact pair that we're going to review, I'll be giving away, but stay to the end to get more of the details of how to enter. Without further ado, let's get into this. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Stone. So what we have here came in a typical Adidas box, and you have the typical 350 Yeezy looking shoebox, nothing different, size label, nothing else in the box apart from the trainer itself. So let's look into this. So here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Stone. These released on the 27th of February 2021, and they retailed at a price of £180. So this is my first look at the trainer, and I'm not going to tell a lie, I have opened them before the video just to have a quick look at it, and to be honest, my first impression of this trainer was it didn't draw any emotion out of me at the time. I just looked at it and I thought, okay, alright, cool, yeah, cool, and that's about it, to be honest. However, opening this up again, what strikes me is the color palette or the color blocking on this sneaker trainer. So let's start from the top. So what we have is the Adidas Prime Knit. What I particularly like is the different patterns that you can see throughout this trainer. So you got the front knit, you got the back knit, you got the lateral side knit, you got the knit that is towards the midsole, you got the knit on the toe box, which is slightly different. So it's almost trying to define the shoe by knit, if that makes sense, which is interesting because I do like that detail. You have the trim that surrounded the entrance of the shoe, and then something that I really like is the fact that you can see the Adidas 3 stripes on the back part of the trainer, and I think that is a nice touch that shows Adidas true DNA. I also like the fact that you got the Adidas Yeezys on the inside, and you got the trefoil logo in there as well. We have the different knit patterns that run through the trainer. So you got the front toe box, which is more of a tighter knit. There's not really a toe guard, so this is quite loose, unlike the Ultra Boost that I've talked about before in my other video. There is like a front guard, you know, toe guard, but I'm assuming that is because it's more of a running trainer rather than a lifestyle trainer. So this is definitely a lifestyle trainer. So this is quite loose. There's no additional structure up until the toe. There's a different knit pattern there, and then you got a knit pattern that is slightly different to the back. You know, many people have probably talked about this on the other videos, but this is new to me, and this is something that I've just noticed on these trainers. And then you move up past the stripe. The stripe itself has a separate knit pattern with, it's just a straight crisscross type knit. I'm not sure if that's the technical term, crisscross, but you know, it is what it is. We have here a slightly darker color, which with a different style knit, and the color is similar to what's on the midsole, which run from the toe box all the way to the back part of the trainer. And I like this only because it's a subtle difference, which actually is a fine detail, and sometimes fine details make the trainer. And I also like the fact that it's got the seam that goes from the top part of the toe box all the way to the tongue, and also distinguish between the contrasting colors on either side of the shoe. Then we move on to the midsole. So you have this rib effect midsole. To me, this reminds me of a hovercraft, the bottom part of a hovercraft, but that's just me. Through this rubber, you can see the boost, and the boost runs from the heel all the way to the front part of the trainer. On the outsole, as you can see, the outsole has, it's a slightly different color. It's actually lighter, which is the opposite to the Saint-Tropez sole. So the Saint-Tropez sole has the midsole color on the outsole and the outsole color on the midsole. Also, we have laces. So we have the laces, which is again another earth tone type color, a brownish sandy maybe type colorway, and it's no longer the infinity laces. In terms of comfort, to be honest, I'm very comfortable in these trainers. I have no problem with the boost technology that is in this trainer. Some people might say Adidas need to move on with the boost technology, but for me, this is sufficient enough. It's very comfortable. I do get that squidgy feel though, and that's more towards the heel side, but as you can see, there's more boost on the heel. The size here is a size 9, and in terms of the fit, I do feel that the fit is snug, or let's say a tailored fit. So it is not loose, it's not tight, it's kind of in between. I can feel the trainer, if that makes sense. So I can feel the trainer on my foot. Now, over time, I'm not sure if that's going to cause problems. I've walked around in the house, it feels comfortable, but in terms of your feel and how you feel, if you feel like you need to go a size up on Yeezys, then I advise you to go a size up. But if you like a snug feel and you're happy with that, especially if you're not wearing a trainer on a regular basis, it's definitely a trainer I've put my foot in and I feel, okay, I'm comfortable with it. But I don't understand over a period of time whether it will start to cause problems in my foot. But I think for me, true to size, but if you're a bit cautious and you know that this is an all-day trainer, maybe go a half a size up. So overall, looking at this trainer, to be honest, every time I look at it, I feel like it is okay. It is a nice trainer. In terms of the Yeezy hype, I wasn't part of the Yeezy hype, and I don't think I'm still part of the Yeezy hype. I can understand the trainer, and I'm looking at it and I think, yeah, it is a simple trainer. However, as you get close, you can see that there's a lot of detail, and the primate itself, and what I highlighted earlier, shows that there is a lot. The question for me, is it £180 a lot? I still think that it's not £180 a lot. I feel that it still looks like a peasant shoe to me. If you can convince me, then maybe. But at this moment in time, put your comments below and tell me what you think about the Ashstone 350 V2. If you've watched this video up until now, thank you very much. I did say earlier on that I'm going to do a giveaway, and we're going to give these exact pair away. In order to enter, I want to keep it simple. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and comment below on this video with done. Then go on to my Instagram and I will put a post up that is referring to this video with the ash stone in the picture. Go onto the Instagram, follow my Instagram, comment on the exact post and say done. And that's it. And in 2 weeks time, I'll announce the winner. And I guarantee you, if it's one person that enters, that person will get it. If it's no one that enters, then that's fine. I'll keep him for myself or resell it. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you for watching. This has been Sneaky Peeks. Until the next video, take care, bye.